Do not fix your credit until you watch this full video, because if you're not leveraging these two things, it can hurt your chances of getting that collection, that charge off, that bankruptcy, that eviction, those student loans or late payments, child support, or even repossession off your report. And I'm going to explain why. And then I'm going to show you what to do instead. I got you. So when it comes to fixing your credit, there are multiple ways to dispute. But when it comes to these specific sites, right? Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and Credit Karma, right? They want you to use their specific, probably other sites, right? But they want you to use their specific sites to dispute with them. And they want you to use their specific dispute reasons to actually dispute the accounts that you're talking about. Okay. And most people, some people, and I say most, some people use these specific sites to actually dispute the accounts on their report, whether they have a collection, charge off, eviction, repossession. They want you to dispute using what they have already to offer. And what happens in when you use those specific sites and you use those specific reasons, most of the time they come back as verified, right? Verified because it's easy to verify that information that they want you to use. So instead of using this site and their site and Credit Karma, I want you to leverage this information, because you're going to be able to leverage the information that they already provide that they don't even think that you know about. And I'm going to show you how to get access and what to look at so you can get that collection, that charge off, that eviction, that whatever you want, just knock them out so you can improve your credit score. I'm going to break it down. All right. I got you. So here's what you want to do instead, right? You want to leverage your hidden report. By leveraging your hidden report, you can go to hiddencreditreport.com or click the learn more button, right? You're going to be able to get access to your report. You'll click on you'll see the reports, or on the side, you'll click on 3 bureau reports and scores, and you click on switch to classic view. Okay. And once you click switch to classic view, you're going to see your report. And what I will tell you to do is screenshot the negative accounts. Every negative account on your report, screenshot it and put it on the letter. And once you put it on the letter that you're going to send to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, what you're going to do is also mark it up. What I mean by that is you're going to look at the information. You're going to use the information that they give to you and use it against them. Okay. Most people don't know about this information, but you do now that you're watching this video. So TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax is reported information, right? And according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is the law 15 U.S.C. 1681B EB, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax has to assure maximum possible accuracy. So what that means is, if you look at last verified, right? Last verified, this, and this has to have the same date, right? Date last active, date last active, date last active have to have the same date. Date reported, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax have to have the same date. The balance also have to be the same. The open date have to be the same. All this information has to be the same on TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, according to this one specific law. All right, there are other multiple laws. Now, I'm not a lawyer. I'm just here to show you your rights, but there are other multiple laws you can leverage. But this one right here is going to allow you to use it. So you can create your letter. You can screenshot this account, put it on your letter, and tell Experian, TransUnion, Equifax to remove this account for violation of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, 15 U.S.C. 1681 EB, right? That's all you got to do. Put it on your letter and send it certified to Experian, to TransUnion, to Equifax, and watch you start seeing those accounts removed from your report. Now, don't forget to click the Learn More button so you can get access to your report and leverage this information and knock the credit bureaus out.